Hi, my name is Alberto. I work here at Wilden Application Engineering team. We're going to be working on the frequently asked questions. The first question is, can I use a Wilden pump for continuous 24/7 operation? The quick answer is yes. Our Wilden AODD pumps are designed for continuous duty. Just to ensure that it pumps successfully, just follow the steps of the maintenance manual and you're good to go. One bit of word of advice is if you're going to be using the pump for 24/7 operation, select a slightly upsized flow ship pump for the flow rate and pressure you want. The larger size pump will allow you the pump to cycle slower, increasing times between maintenance and the added air efficiency of the flow shift. That will save you significant energy and money. Second frequently asked questions we have is, how often should I tighten the fasteners on my plastic pumps? That depends on the application. Tightening should be part of any preventive maintenance program and should be based on the service duty of the pump. Pressure, average hours in service, and temperature all affect the flow of plastic that can cause the bolts to loosen. The pump with loose bolts can also cause leaks from the manifolds or liquid chambers. If you ever notice leaky pump, it is best to increase the frequency of tightening your bolts. Also, it is good practice to tighten down the bolts of the pump when you first install it into your system. We test our pumps at Wilden facility, but bolts can loose in transit and may loosen if the pump sits before use. Another frequently asked question is, does cavitation affect AODD pumps? Cavitation can disrupt flow and may cause some fittings on metallic inlet valve seats. However, in AODD pumps are not susceptible to damage from cavitation as other pumps. Using elastometric seats can help mitigate issues from cavitation. Another frequently asked question is, what torque value should I tighten the bolts on my clamp pump to? The clamps of the AODD pump will naturally stretch and bend when they are tightened. This causes them to lose with time. The more often the clamps are removed and replaced, the tighter they may need to be in order to create a proper seal. With this, there is no singular torque value that will work for all clamp pumps. When reassembling the clamp pumps, you will need to tighten the clamps until leaking stops or until the clamps are parallel. If you have an application where better containment is needed, look to upgrade your pump to a bolted configuration. Thank you and join us next time.